Hi, this is Umesh. Welcome to my review channel Simmo. Today I'm going to review a product called EZ Buyers by Ryan, which is going to launch on 28th Feb 2024 at 9 a.m. EST. Dear friends, in this review video I'm going to share with you the front ends, the OTOs, the bonuses, and also the demo video which will take you to the members area of this EZ Buyers by Ryan, and which by the help of that demo video you'll get an idea how this EZ Buyers is going to work for you. So let's start the review. So now I'm going to share with you the funnel. The front end price is $12.95, and the OTO 1 is for $27, OTO 2 is for $47, OTO 3 is for $97, and OTO 4 is for $67, and the last but best is OTO 5 for $114. So these are the front ends and OTOs. If you pick this whole bundle, that will be a profitable deal for you if you take front end and OTOs together through my link given in the description box below this video. Okay, the front end and the OTOs are very connected to each other, and there is more profit in buying this bundle. So please purchase these OTOs and front ends together through my link given in the description box below this video. Now I'm going to share with you the demo video of this EZ Buyers. With the help of this demo video, you'll go to the members area.
This is a quick demo of EZ Buyers. Now, after people purchase EZ Buyers, they'll end up on this thank you page here. And in step 4, they can click to directly access EZ Buyers, which will be through this page here. You'll receive your login details via email. So I'm just going to log in. This is the EZ Buyers members area. Okay, and these are the various upsells that are available. As you can see here, this is the EZ Buyers training. So we'll click start. This is the main training area for EZ Buyers. This is the introduction video where I briefly outline how the system works and explain how to use everything inside this members area. Of course, we have a free live training, and of course we have a Facebook group which you can join to ask questions from other affiliate tools for you members. Also from myself directly, I regularly post tips in there. You can contact support if you have any issues with the site itself or with logging in. And here we have the method overview. This goes over everything. And here we have the core method itself, which I'm not going to open up, but it's a whole section of videos. This is the core method. Now, it's worth noting on my sales page, I told you guys that you don't need to make review videos, and you don't need to be making special bonuses for affiliate offers to make this work. Core method allows you to continuously get buyer subscribers into your autoresponder from various launches without having to launch your own products. And even if you only get one sale or even sometimes no sales, you'll still keep getting buyer subscribers using this method. But as a bonus, I show you how to get even more buyers using more traditional methods. But this is a bonus. The core method is everything described on the sales page, but I like to over deliver. So I've gone over some of the more classic methods as well, as they do work pretty good. But of course, the best method is the EZ Buyers method here, the core method. Of course, we have bonus free training on affiliate marketing and email marketing. So if there's anybody that's not completely sure how to make the most money from these buyer subscribers, I have a complete training on how to do that. And there will be free bonus traffic. It's not listed here, but it will be listed here by the launch date, where you just click sign up and you will get a free mini solo ad, and you can place banner ads in one of my membership sites. So guys, that's EZ Buyers in a nutshell. Like I said, this core training is worth way more than the price of this course. I've been using this. It's a great little method. So I look forward to seeing you guys in here, and I look forward to seeing you guys crush it with getting commissions online.
Now I'm going to share with you the bonuses with this product. The first bonus is free traffic software value $1997. You're giving you free access to our premium traffic software, which will help you to get hours of traffic at zero cost. In addition, you will also get access to our unlimited free traffic system, various traffic source we use day in day out to generate even more traffic. Bonus number two, value $997. This includes a full collection of our best product, including some incredible method and powerful softwares. There's enough in here to keep your head racing with ideas on how to get to the next level. You will love everything inside this free bundle. Bonus number three, guaranteed affiliates approval. Value priceless will approve to promote this affiliate offer and all future offers. This will help you to generate sales from day one. And bonus number four is exclusive live web streams, priceless. These live sessions hosted by top super affiliates give you next level super affiliate strategies to maximize your results with this training. So these are the bonuses which you are going to receive after picking this product through my link given in the description box below this video. If you pick all the bundle together, you are going to get more bonuses. So EZ buyers use this new hack to get unlimited buyers subscribed into your email list without launching your own product, and key to getting consistent affiliate commission online in not just building a list but building a quality list of proven buyers. That means real people with credit cards who have a history of purchasing things online. Every year mail your buyers list to get commissions. But most people need to launch product to do this. EZ buyers let you get consistent commissions using a simple copy of paste method. This method is copy paste simple, and it gets you unlimited buyers, subscribers, and commissions over. And you don't need to launch product, and you don't need to go to the cameras just like me. And You don't need to get affiliate sales for this to work. Once you set up this to buyer subscriber keep on coming. With the help of this product, you are going to make money through online. So now I'm going to share with you $12.95 front end early bird first 6 hours into demo sales. EZ Buyer is a brand new 3-step system that lets customer easily get buyers subscribers on the and make daily commissions. First step is log into EZ Buyers from anywhere, then use the training and done for you funnel, then drive unlimited free buyers subscribers onto your email list to earn unlimited commission. Now this is the world first training that let you get unlimited buyers subscribers without launching products and without getting sales. EZ Buyer shows your customers the laziest and the most effective methods to get free buyers leads and sales. Emphasis being on lazy. Everything can be set up in minutes and it is easy to use. Only 2 to 25 minutes a day is required to make this work. Easily scale up the larger and larger profits. Free traffic source are included with the training. EZ Buy completely newbie friendly, no budget, no problem, no time, no problem. There is a designed average people who don't have time to or much money and want to build a legitimate online business easily and quickly. So this is for those who want to make money. With this you get 30 days money back guarantee. Now I'll take you to the sales page. This simple copy and paste method banks me up to $250 per day in all less than 30 minutes per day. New friendly. You can go through the description given on the page by scrolling it. Okay, now instead you can spare 30 minutes per day to get a quick cash grab plus ongoing recurring income like you get every day. This is step 1, it has been given over here. Step 2, how you are going to work. Then step 3. So this is the sales page. You may pause this and go through the description on the sales page. Okay, Uh, so get instant access now. You get 30 days money back guarantee. Inside chill commission you will get. These are the module: finding content, module 2 preparation, module 3 your cash machine, module 4 scaling up. And here's what you are discovering inside the chill commission program. Discounts are there. It's your turn to get in a big discount. Why you need to get this right now? You may go through this description, and I think it is one of the finest product for you. So please pick this product through my link given in the description box below this video. Have a great day. God bless you. Love you all. Thank you very much.